Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I would like to share with you how to make this simple, when I mean simple, it's very simple, but very delicious recipe that everyone will love it. And this is called fried coconut chicken. Oh, you want to know what I mean? Just come along with me and let's do this together. I am super excited. Our fried coconut chicken, that's what we'll be doing today. I will be needing chicken. I have lime here. I'll be squeezing on the chicken fillet. Chicken fillet. So I'll leave it like that. We have coconut flakes here. We have mayonnaise, black pepper, coconut milk, sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar, any sugar of your choice. I'm using garlic. I have bread here. I'm using brown bread. I will turn them to breadcrumbs. So if you don't have breadcrumbs at home, you don't need to worry. I will tell you what to do because I've already cut them out into smaller pieces, and I'll be putting them in the oven just for it to be crispy. And I'll just crush them. I'll be showing you as we move on. I have some eggs and salt, oil for frying. And what I did to the chicken fillet was that I took one whole one and I opened it up into half so that it would be easy for me to work with it. So now what I will do is wash the chicken fillet. I've already put the bread in the oven for it to get crispy, and before I wash the chicken, I would like to mix everything together for you to see. Coconut milk, don't worry, the measurement of everything I'm using will be in the description box below. That's the mayonnaise, black pepper, brown sugar. You can use white sugar, don't forget, but I just love the taste of brown sugar in this recipe. Some salt just to balance the sweetness, garlic, or you can use onion powder if you like. I like garlic with my coconut chicken. Coconut flakes. You'll be amazed how simple but delicious this is. I'm breaking the eggs into it. I'll be using 2 eggs. So what I will do now, I will just mix everything together and I'll set aside into a kitchen towel or kitchen roll or kitchen paper. You don't want any water on it. The next one is this. Now put them in the coconut mixture. If you like what you've seen so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Let them soak in. You can leave it there for 30 minutes or make sure they're in the fridge. And while that is being resting in the fridge, I will show you the breadcrumbs. We need some flour, and I'll be adding some black pepper to it and some salt. I'll just mix together. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do, and don't forget the notification bell. Now our chicken. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'll put it in the flour. The flour will help to seal in the delicious coating. I'll put it back in the coating, the coconut mixture. The next thing I will do now, these are our breadcrumbs. I'll just put it on the breadcrumbs just like that, ready for frying. Then I will repeat. Take it out, chicken out into the flour, put it back into the coconut mixture. so super easy to make. On the breadcrumbs, ready to fry. The oil is very hot now. I'll just put for frying. Oh, this is so nice. Are you getting your chicken out and doing just the same? Careful. Wow, amazing. Let's turn them over. Do you see what I'm saying? Golden brown. Look at this beautiful chicken. Ready to be taken out. This is how I'm taking them out, so that the oil is drain on the towel. You need to try this out, and you're going to thank me and say, oh Victoria, thank you so very much for this wonderful recipe. These ones are without breadcrumbs, just the butter and the flour. So you tell me which one you prefer, the ones with the breadcrumbs or the one just with the butter. They all taste delicious, smell delicious. This is our fried coconut chicken. Just check them out. They're so nice, yummy. The coconut aroma in my kitchen. Oh god. And you can have this with fries, and you can just put it in between your bread and you are good to go. You can use it as chicken burger. When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore, and as you explore, you will discover a lot, and as you discover, you will enjoy. And we saw it when I was making the chicken, that chicken was so succulent. It was very soft and very delicious. Very, very delicious. Honestly, you can go along with your chips. You can use it as a sandwich. You just put it in between your bread, and honestly, this is very nice. The smell, I mean the aroma of the coconut, the taste of it, you just have to try this recipe. And if you have not watched my easy crispy chicken, one of my videos, please do, because you will see how soft the chicken was too after cooking it. So if you love what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave your comment in the in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not, and don't forget the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. It's time for me to go and enjoy my fried, succulent, juicy, coconut filled fried chicken. Till next time, bye.